So this is the new Elixir acoustic guitar strings. I just installed it recently today, so we'll just test it in my Takimini guitar. So that's it, guys.